Hello everyone, this is Manu and welcome to Manu Matrix. Today in this video, we are going to do the paper analysis of the TS Constable paper which was held yesterday. Now look at the questions. Now, he's asked the question 256 whole power 2.5, 16 whole power 4.5 divided by 64 1.6 is equal to 4 power k. Then he's asking to find 5k plus 4 is equal to how much. Now to solve this type of questions, just do he's saying in terms of 4. So just make them into powers of 4. So 256 can be written as 4 power 4 2.5 into 4 square into 4.5. Now 64 can be written as 4 cube 1.6 is equals to 4 power k. Now 4 into 2.5, a power m whole power n is nothing but a power mn. Now 4 power 4 into 2.5, that is 4 power 10 into 4 power 2 into 4.5 is 9. 4 power 3 into 1.6 is 4.8. 16 3 is a 48, just one decimal point. Now a power m into a power n, that is nothing but a power m plus n. Here 4 by 4 point a power m by a power n. Now a power m minus n, that is 4 power 19 minus 4.8, which is 4.19914.2, which is equals to 4 power k. Now it means k is equals to 14.2. Now substitute this k value in this equation, that is 5 into 14.2 plus 4. 14 5s are 70. 5 10s are, that is 71 plus 4. 14 5s are 70. 5 2s are 10. One decimal point, so 71 plus 4 is equals to 75. This is the answer. Now look into another question. Is that the fraction equivalent to 2.57 bar? It can be written as 2.57 bar. It is written as the total number, that is 257, minus the non-recurring part is 25 by the recurring element. The recurring element is one element, so 19, and the non-recurring element after decimal is 1, so it is represented by 0. Therefore 257 minus 25, 7 minus 5 2, 5 minus 2 3, 2, 232 by 90. This is the answer. This question is a basic BODMAS question. Just look over it. BODMAS. Apply BODMAS rule. First solve in brackets. Next off. Next division. Next multiplication, addition, subtraction follow in this order. Now first solve in brackets. That is 2 by 3. Next off is 5 by 6 plus 6 minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 7. Now division. Division can be converted into multiplication, then it is reversed. That is 14 by 15. Now 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 1s are 3 5s are 7 1s are 7 2s are 2 2 cancel. Now 45 into 5 by 9 plus 6 minus 1 by 5. Now just take LCM. 9 5s are 45, so it is 25 plus 6 into 45, that is 4, 6 into 42 40 plus 6 into 5 30, that is 270 minus 5 9s are 9. 270 plus 25, 295 minus 9, that is 286 into here 45 divided by 45. It will be anyway cancelled. So the answer is 286. Get this question. If LCM and HCF of two numbers are x and y are L and H respectively, then he is saying it is a basic from the LCM. That is we know from the childhood, that is product of two numbers. Product of two numbers is equals to LCM into HCF. Here product of two numbers that are x and y is equals to LCM into HCF. Now see the option which is xy is equals to LH. Yes, it is satisfied. That is, we can write in this form, that is x by h is equals to L by y. So this is the answer. Now let us look into the question. He is saying if 123 more articles can be bought by spending certain amount when the price of an article is decreased. he is saying that price of an article is decreased by 33 1/3%. The number of articles one could have been bought without discount. Observe the question, he is saying without discount for the same amount. Now to solve this type of questions, whenever you see the fraction that is 33 1/3%, just convert into fraction, that is 1/3. Here he is saying 1/3, price is decreased. Now before explaining this, I want to explain one technique, that is CPR technique. That is, if x by y increases, x by x plus y decreases, to make expenditure constant. Nothing but if the price of an article decreases, the number of articles will be brought will be increased. To make expenditure constant means it for certain same amount, if the price is decreased, we'll get more articles. Now see, he is saying that decreased by 33 1/3%. It means it is decreased by 1/3%. Then it will be increased by 1/2%. This 1/2% number of articles are increased, which is equal to 123. 1/2 is equal to 123. It represents 1 represents 123, then 2 represents how much? But he is not asking the discounted part. This is it after discount. But he is asking without discount. Without discount is nothing but the total parts. That is 3. If 1 represents 123, 3 represents how much? 3 into 123, which is 369. That is the answer. Question which is very easy. Here he is saying the average weight of group of men is 77.5 and the average weight of group of women is 70. The average weight of all persons of both groups is 74. The ratio of number of men and women in the two groups. He is asking the ratio of men and women in the two groups. He is saying the average weight is 77.5 of men and women is 70 kgs, and the average weight of all persons of both groups, that is he is saying 74. Now from mixture and alligation, from that method you can solve 74 minus 70, it is 4. 77 minus 74 is 3.5. Now this is the ratio of men and women, but we do not have the answer in the ratio 4 is to 3.5. Just do double, that is 8 is to 7. That is the answer, which is very easy. We can solve it in seconds. Now look this question. He's saying ratio of ages of two persons before 6 years. Before 6 years and after 6 years are 3 is to 8 and 7 is to 12 respectively. Their present ages respectively are. And this is a very easy question. He is saying before 6 years. That is 6 years ago. The ratios are 3 is to 8. 6 years after, the ratios are 7 is to 12. Here the gap difference is 6 years ago and 6 years after. That is 12 years gap. Now let us see the gap between these 4 and 4. Now this is the difference between the ages, that is the 4 is the difference between the ratios, and this is the difference between the age, that is 12 years. Now it means 4 represents 12, then 1 represents 3. Now 1 represents 3, it means 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24. These are the ages before 6 years, but is asking the present ages. Then we should add plus 6. That is 15 and 30. These are the ratios. That is the answer. Look this question. He is saying a shopkeeper bought each packet of 12 articles for rupees 51 and sold them as a packet of 15 articles for rupees 71.25 paisa. If he gets profit of rupees 90, the number of articles he sold is. Now he is saying that he bought 12 articles. He bought is nothing but the selling price, cost price. He bought 12 articles for rupees 51, but he sold them as a packet of 15 articles. He bought 12 articles, but he sold 15 articles at a cost of rupees 71.25 paisa. Now he's saying if he gets profit of rupees 90, then number of articles he sold. He's saying he got the profit of 90. He get profit of 90. Then number of articles he sold. Now actually to solve this type of questions, we should make a quantities as equal. Here 12 articles and 15 articles. We cannot make for one article, and conversion it will be very difficult. So let us make here quantity into equal parts. How can we convert? That is which is the common multiple. So 12 and 15 common multiple, that is least common multiple, is 3 4s are 3 5s are 4 5s are 20, 23 is 60. So to make 60, it should be multiplied with 5. Now to make 60 articles, it should be multiplied with 4. It means this equation should be multiplied with 5. To make 60 articles, this equation should be multiplied with 4. Nothing but 60 articles for rupees 51 into 5, which is 5 5s are 25, that is 255. Now 60 articles 71.25 into multiply with 4, that is 71 into 4. 71 4s are 7 4s are 28, and 4 into 25 100, which is 285. Now observe here, he bought 60 articles for rupees 255 and he sold 60 articles for 285. Then how much profit he got? He got 30 rupees profit. I think you got it. He's saying that he bought 60 articles for rupees 255 and he sold 60 articles for 285. So what, we make the quantity equal, so it becomes easy to calculate. So he got 30 rupees profit, but he's asking he got profit of 90. That is, for 60 articles he got profit of 30 rupees, but he's saying he got 90 rupees profit. Then how many articles? Just multiply with 3, that is 180 articles. I think you got the point. He is saying that for 60 articles for 255 rupees he bought and he sold for 285 rupees. Then he got the profit of 285 minus 255, that is 30 rupees profit. But he is saying in the question he got profit of rupees 90 and he is asking to find the number of articles he sold. So for 60 articles we got 30 rupees profit, but he is saying 90 rupees profit. 90 rupees profit means it is 3 times increase. So obviously 3 times multiplied with 3 times, that is 60 into 3, 180. 180 articles is the answer. Now look at this. This is a very basic simplification question. He is saying 2 into 3 cube root of square root of 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5 is 16. Square root of 16 is cube root of square root of 16 is 4. It multiplying with 2 into 15 by, he is saying cube root of 32. 32 can be written as 8 into 4. 8 into 4, cube root of 8 is 2. 2 into cube root of 4. Now this cube root of 4, this cube root of 4 will be get cancelled as this is in denominator. Now this 2 will be cancelled. Now we get answer 15. That's it. This question, on a certain principal amount at the rate of 2% per quarter, he is saying 2% per quarter of an year, the simple interest after 24 months is rupees 960. Then he is asking to find then the principal amount is actually per quarter, that is 1 by 4 per quarter. He is saying that is 2% per quarter. Nothing but per year it is 8%. Now actually he is saying the simple interest after 24 months. 24 months means for 2 years. 2 years is 16%. It means for 16% he is saying 960 is the amount. Then he is asking to find the principal amount. Principal amount is always 100%. 100% is equals to how much? 100 into 960 by 16. 16 ones are 16 six. That is 60 into 100 is 6000 is the answer. This question, he is saying if the 5-digit number 57x54 is divisible by 11, the number of such possible numbers is. Now, what is the divisibility rule of 11? Here, the sum of the digits in the odd places minus sum of the digits in the even places, if it is equal to 0 or 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Let me explain here. That is 4 plus x plus 4 plus x plus y minus y plus 7, that is number of digits in the even places minus number of digits in the odd places, that is 7 plus 5. These are the digits at the even places, these are the digits at the odd places. Subtracted, when they are subtracted, that it must be equal to 0 or 11, then only the number is said to be divisible by 11. Why here he said it is this number is divisible by 11, so I have written the equation in this form. Now 9 plus x minus 7 plus 5. Here again you write in this way, x minus y, 9 minus 7, that is plus 2 is equal to 0 or 11. Now we get in the two equation forms, that is x minus y is equals to minus 2 one form, and x minus y is equals to 9. 11 minus 2, which is equal to 9. These are the two equations. Now let us check the possibilities of x minus y when we get what we take. If we take that is the maximum. If you are getting the minus value, it means y should be maximum. If we take 9, y is 9, then x is 7. If the maximum number is 9 itself, as it is a unit digit number. Now if it is 8, it is 6. If it is 7, it is 5. 7 minus 9 minus 2. 6 minus 8 minus 2. 5 minus 7, it is minus 2. 4 minus 6, it is minus 2. Next 5. 3 minus 5, it is minus 2. 4. 1, 2 minus 4, minus 2. 1 minus 3, minus 2. 0, minus 2. These are the possibilities over here. Now, other than this, no, we can't get. Now, let us look at this. X minus y is equals to 9. So, obviously, here what should be for y and what should be for x? There is only one possibility, x is 9 minus 0, it is 9. Only this possibility, we cannot get another possibility. So count the possibilities, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the number of possible numbers are 9. That is the answer. So another question is a wire of length 17 meters. A wire of length 17 meters cut into square and at equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Now he is saying that if the area of the square is a square meters and perimeter is b meters. Now he is also saying b is equals to 2a. Now he is asking to find ratios of areas of square and triangle. Square and triangle areas. Is asking to find areas of square and triangle ratio. Now only we know this. Here let us take the side as a. Therefore area becomes a square and perimeter becomes b meters. Here b is 4a. B is 4a. Now substitute a in this equation. That is here a is equals to a square, b is equals to 4a. Now just substitute here, just square it. B square is equals to 16a square. A square is nothing but a. B square is equals to 16. A square is a. Now here in the question he gave b is equals to 2a. B is equals to 2a is nothing but 4a square. 4a square, capital A square. 4a square is equals to 16a. 4 ones are 4 fours are a gets cancelled. Therefore, A is equals to 4. It is nothing but A square. Area of square is equals to 4. A is equals to 2. It means side of the square is 2. Therefore, perimeter becomes 8 meters. It means for a square, he took the wide 8 meters. Obviously, 17 minus 8 will be 9. He took for the triangle. As we said it is an equilateral triangle, it will be of the same side, that is 3, 3, 3. Now, he is asking to find area of a square. Area of a square is A square. And area of a triangle is root 3 by 4 A square. A square gets cancelled, that is 4 is to root 3. No, we should not cancel in this way. It becomes a blunder mistake because area of the square is different and area of the triangle is different. So, area of the square, that is 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 is 2. Root 3 by 4 into area of the triangle is 3. 3 3 is a 9. So, here just to write in this way, 16 is to 9 root 3. 16 is to 9 root 3. But we don't have the options in this manner. So, convert into that manner. Here just multiply with root 3. That is 16 root 3 into root 3. 9 3 is a 27. Yes. 9 into root 3 is 3. 9 3 is a 27. 16 is to root 3. 16 root 3 into 27 is the answer. Answer B.